Hey, this is Debbie from Project 39, and I want to show you this mini album I made. This was using a paper pad I had from a couple of years ago, 2017, and this is a Martha Stewart paper pad, and it's got some metallic elements on it. Now, I did use some paper from a different collection, I think that was Tim Holtz, to supplement it because, of course, the 6x6 would not have a 7x7 paper. But let me take you inside. I did have these stickers, which I just added a little bit of alcohol ink just so they would match with everything. Now the pages are 6 1/4 by 6 1/4, so then the 6x6 papers fit nicely. You still can put a 4x6 photo on the pages. Of course, that would fit there on the cover because the cover is 7x7. Or you could trim down your photos, or if you have Instax, then you can use the 4x4 photos. That's what comes out of it. The photo mats are 5.5 by 6.5, so obviously you can certainly put your 4x6 photos on there. So these will swing, and you can open up the paper and add your photos there. Now, it's not embellished very heavily, so that way you can put the pictures on and you still see this great paper behind the pictures. There's the photo mat. I love that spider paper. This is embossed, even though it's not metallic. And there's the hidden photo mat. And so this just swings, and there's room for you to put your photos. And again, I use some of those stickers to add a little detail to this page. Go like that. The metallic does not really show up very good on camera, but you can get an idea. And there's that copper metallic foiling detail on this page as well. And there's the final page. And again, room to put your photos. And there's even room to journal. If you had a white gel pen, you could journal on here very nicely. And that's what I have for you today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you see when my next project comes out. And hopefully it will inspire you to make something like this. Have a great day.